Are you ready to transform your cooking experience and save precious time in the kitchen? Today, we're diving into the incredible Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 pressure cooker, your ultimate culinary game changer. This isn't just a pressure cooker, it's 9 appliances in one, seamlessly replacing your slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté pan, and more. Imagine decluttering your countertops while still being able to whip up delicious meals faster than ever before. What truly sets it apart are the 15 smart, customizable programs, taking the guesswork out of everything from perfectly cooked eggs to savory stews. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef, simply select your desired function and let the Instant Pot do the hard work. Durability meets convenience with its premium stainless steel inner pot, ensuring even cooking and super easy cleanup every single time. If you're looking for the best kitchen upgrade of 2025 and want to streamline your meal prep, definitely check out the Amazon link below to learn more. This versatile appliance is an investment that will revolutionize how you cook, making healthy, home-cooked meals accessible even on your busiest days. Don't miss out on making your kitchen life simpler and more enjoyable. Click that link and discover why so many people are buying the Instant Pot Duo Plus. For anyone serious about efficient, delicious cooking, the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 is an absolute must-have in your home, and I highly recommend it.